I got this email last week. And this is someone who's saying to me they want to advertise on my channel with this big brand. I'm excited. I'm excited about that. But slow down. Don't get so excited. What you need to do is you need to do your due diligence. First of all, it's coming from op.pl. Who is that? I should have gone and looked to see who that is. But every time I get those kind of messages, I ask for two things. Who are you working with? I need to know the name of the representative at that brand. And I make a statement. Sometimes I say 5,000. Sometimes I say 10,000. Yesterday I said I need $500 for ads. Okay? I'm poking them to see if they respond back in a business way. They didn't. They responded back and they did not answer my question. And instead, what they say is, we've got $4,000 for you. And we pay 100% upfront once the contract is signed. All they're trying to do is create urgency there. Sign the contract, get the money, Teddy. And then they offer complimentary water package. Now, they give me a media kit. Okay? What I should do at this point is stop. I should do a little bit more research. Who is sanpellegrino.club? Use MX Toolbox. mxtoolbox.com. Do a search for sanpellegrino.club. Do a who is. And if you do a who is, you can find out this was created last week. It's brand new. It was just created last week. And furthermore, you can see everything's redacted. So this leads me to believe it's about as fake as it can be based on checking who is sanpellegrino.club. I would expect it to be years old, but it's not. So I respond back, I need to know the name of the San Pellegrino rep. If they do not give me a name, then that confirms for me it's a fake. Now, if they give me a name, I'm going to go to LinkedIn and search for them. I'm going to search for that person's name. But at this point, I'm done. By the way, this right here is a RAR file. If I open it up, it wants to save as a RAR file, which is some type of compressed file. I won't open that. A RAR file, a URL that's brand new, this is a fraud. This is a scam. They're phishing or they're trying to hack. Be excited about someone asking you to sponsor your YouTube videos or promote or do an affiliate link. Be excited about that. But do your due diligence. Be deliberate. I need to say, don't trust it. Do not trust it. Do your due diligence. Ask business questions. And don't get excited about upfront payments and big money, because more often than not, it's a fake. I would love to have this person respond back and tell me their name is Betty and they're working with John, the VP of Marketing at San Pellegrino. But it didn't happen. Do your due diligence. Don't get excited. Believe that it's a fraud until you prove otherwise.